Welcome to Discovery at Home, and I have a really fun test for you to do today. One of my favorite stories is the Three Little Pigs story, where they build different types of houses and the big bad wolf tries to come around and blow the houses down. And that is a fantastic engineering test on materials, and we could recreate that. So all you need are several materials from around your house. They could be recycled, they could be plastic, they could be from previous projects that you've made before. But your job is to create a structure or multiple structures and you could get a toy, you could get like a car or something that goes inside the structure, because the job is to keep the item inside safe. Just like the Three Little Pigs. They wanted to be safe inside of the structure they built. So when you build a structure, put a fun little toy inside of it, and then use a fan. Just like the big bad wolf used his air, you could turn on a fan and see if it could withstand the air being blown towards your structure. So create whatever structure you want using whatever materials you want, and then test it with the fan to see if it stays standing. If it does, that's fantastic. If it doesn't, try different materials to see what happens and what kind of materials will withstand the big bad wolf fan over here. This has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.